All right, Louisville, Kentucky, back in March, and a car with a stolen tag. The guy runs. I know you're shocked, but guess where they end up? Behind the Walmart. There's only about a minute's worth of video here, so.
Stop! Hey! Stop!
Oh, oh shit!
It's in! Now! Shut in! Shut in! Now! Hold on! Do not move! Do not move!
Bro. What? Hey, man. Deadly force is deadly force, right?
Stop! Hey! Stop!
My man's got a gun, clear as day, and then he gets boinked right here. Holds on to the gun.
It's in! Now! Shut in! Shut in! Now! Hold on!
All right, so we got one guy with cover. Man's been shot. Stanley's going to bark outside because that's super helpful. They're going to go ahead, get him detained, and render aid. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is that. I mean, that was fairly straightforward. I can't tell if he's shot or is shooting here.
Stop! Hey! Stop!
Bink. Hey, did he knock his beanie off? Was dude wearing a beanie or is that just his hair? He knocked his beanie off of him. He relieved him of his beanie. Hey, when it's all said and done, like I said, deadly force is deadly force, man. This is it fits right into that box. I mean, he fled in a car with a stolen tag. He gets out, he runs with a gun. Now, whether he fired shots previous to running, I don't know. But dude here went ahead and doinked him with the bumper. The man still maintained possession of the gun and was able to roll over and fire after being hit by a car. And then got zapped for his trouble. So Stanley apparently doesn't like the idea that I'm doing this, or he's angry because my next door neighbor has an actual human being at her house that Stanley apparently disapproves of. Anyway, this is pretty straightforward, man. I mean, after the guy was down, they went ahead and moved in, they secured him, and started to render aid. Just like that. This, I think, falls into the stupid games, stupid prizes category. I hate using that cliche, but here we are. If you saw something I missed, drop it in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to the channel. Share this if you think it's worth sharing. And as always, be good or be good at it. We'll see you next time. You guys be safe.